Alright, so let's pick an A4 sheet and click create. Now the first thing we need to do is set a gradient background. So we're gonna go for gradient. Then I'll bring it to the bottom left. And I'll go for the image, that's the orange. Then I'll grab the pen tool and cut the top off. I'll go ahead and deactivate the fill. Right click and choose make selection. Then I'll hit delete on the keyboard. But first of all, I need to rasterize this image first. Then I can hit delete on the keyboard. Now I have this. So I'll adjust that. Then bring in this orange, sliced orange. I'll resize it like this. Can add Control or Alt. So I'll right click, then choose warp, then warp the edges to fit the orange cut. And after that, I'll go ahead and delete the shape that we made and then clip the slice together with the cut orange. Now I'll go ahead and duplicate this orange slice. First unlink them and duplicate. Now for the top one, I'll press Ctrl T, right click, then select warp, then warp it up. Then after that, I will duplicate it and then tweak its position. Alright, then I'll duplicate another one and do the same thing. Now create a new layer at the bottom and then grab your brush tool. Make sure you choose a soft round brush and have a black as foreground color. Click once, press Ctrl T, resize and place it at the bottom. You can go ahead and lower the opacity of this brush layer. Just like that. After this, I'm going to create a new layer and clip it into the first orange slice. Alright, then grab my brush tool, make sure the foreground color is black, then add a shadow onto the first orange slice. Then after that, I'll create new layer on top of that, then do the same thing. So after this, I'll drag in the Fanta image, resize it and place it right there. Alright, then you add a layer mask, then grab a brush with a soft round brush, make sure that black is on top or the foreground color, then brush the bottom off. Now you can increase the hardness of the brush so that you get a slight sharp edges. Now don't just brush it straight up, just curve it up so that it look like it's actually a round can that's coming out. So after this, we're almost done. We just have to add the splash. So I'll go for a brush that I have here. I'll put the link in the description and you can use this brush and just add both the water splash and the drink splash. So for the water splash, you can use a foreground color white and make sure the flow is 100% and opacity is also 100%. So you can choose where to place your splashes. It's not necessary to follow where I place the splashes in this video. Alright, you can just do your own thing. Alright, so that's it guys, a very quick one. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment, and I'm out. Peace.